So I have my dry ice, and I actually have a pretty big piece of dry ice. And I actually whittled a little hole into one of my bottom pieces of the dry ice. Actually, a little trick too with dry ice is you freeze the surface. I'll do that on the tile. Is you put a little bit of water on the surface you want your dry ice because of that sublimation, right? It wants to kind of float around here. So if you put a little water on the surface, what that's going to do is freeze, and it will freeze the dry ice to the surface. So that's going to keep it safer for me. This material, which is magnesium, and this is what I'm going to burn. I'm going to attempt to put the burning magnesium out by putting it over the burning magnesium like that, okay? There we go. We're going to get a nice little burn of some magnesium. This is going to burn at over 2,000 degrees Celsius. 2,000 degrees Celsius, okay? So I have to be really careful. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna light the magnesium. Okay, got it lit. And then what? Look at that. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look. It's glowing. It's still burning. The magnesium is still burning inside CO2. CO2 is what you find in fire extinguishers, but yet it's not putting the burning magnesium out. Wasn't that incredible? Now check this out. This is what was made, magnesium, and I'll find a spot on my tile here. Okay, right here. You see that? Let me put the dry ice there. Okay. If I need to, I'm gonna lift up my tile. Do you see that? I'll see at the camera. Okay. Now watch, watch, watch. Ready? You see how that's black? Where did the black come from? Now, if you're saying it came from the magnesium, if you were on the episode where I burned magnesium, when magnesium burns, it turns white. So that's what the white is. But the black is actually from carbon. Carbon, where did the carbon come from? From the CO2. I literally, with the energy that was produced from the burning magnesium, I broke the CO2 molecule with that energy, and I made carbon. And this was used to keep the burning magnesium. So it gave oxygen to the magnesium to burn, and it was then producing the carbon. Amazing, that is amazing. Science right there, very cool, very cool. So this is another reason with magnesium, you can't bring CO2 to put out a magnesium fire. Water won't work, carbon dioxide won't work. If you're a firefighter, if you know a firefighter, they might know. Oh, I know a firefighter. My beautiful daughter, Sophie. I need to ask her, what do firefighters take to a fire if it's a magnesium fire? I know she knows.